and welcome back to RC Workshop. So today, check this out guys, one-hand adapter for your remote. You can use your remote to still record everything you want with your other arm when you're out in the field and playing on the jumps, crawling and everything else. So usually what I do is strap my camera to my remote. But doing the crawling lately, you really want to get up close and personal with the car right there. So what you can do is control this with one hand. What I'll do is drop down in front of the laptop, show you what you need to do. It's 3D printed, guys. Amazing. Then, guys, here you have it. And I mean, how simple do you get? You know what I mean? You got full steering, full throttle as well, like I say. Saves you stretching your thumb over all the way to that wheel, or trying to anyway. This one is actually designed for the FlySky remote that is online, but all you've got to do literally is reduce the size of it by 10% to 90%. That should fit a Traxxas remote then. I am currently printing one off behind me. I'll show you that in a minute. What I'm going to do, guys, is give 2 of these away to 2 lucky people who decide to comment below on this video. Absolutely fantastic. Guys, check it out. This is it when it's in the software of Cura. This just shows you around what it looks like in there. Let's say what I would do is reduce that by 10% if you want it to fit a Traxxas remote. All you've got to do once it's 3D printed then is put a nut and bolt through that attachment on there. Absolutely simple. What I'll do as well, guys, is I will put below, this is from Thingiverse, so I'll put the details below of that, the link. So all you got to do is click the link, download the files, and run them through Cura on your computer. Let's have a go and have a look at the 3D print to see what's going on. Here we go then, so check this thing out in action. I have got this thing on fast print as well, guys. You could do a really neat job of this, but I don't think it really needs to be neat when you're out bashing. I've got this printing at 0.3mm. You could send this down to 1 or 2 and it would do a nice clean job of it, but you will see the stack lines in there as it prints. And I've only got it on 10% fill as well, like I say. In just under an hour, you can have a handle. This one's currently at 14% right now, and we do it in orange PLA. Let's say, drop a comment below, guys, if you want one. What I'll do, if there's plenty of comments, I'll rip down the comments, pick 2 lucky winners. Right then, guys, there you go. Just a short little video. I really like this little device. Like I say, if you're into recording your RCs, and you want one of these, being a chance to win it, I'll literally draw this in a couple of weeks' time. I'll just pick 2 random names going down in the comments. 2 people will get one. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Yeah!